Hello students, I am Akhil Srivastava going to teach you maths of class 10th real number. Introduction of the real number I have given in the previous video. Today I will discuss Euclid's division lemma. In Euclid's division lemma, we find the HCF of any two number. In the previous class we know dividend divisor quotient and a remainder. Dividend divisor, dividend which divided by the divisor gives you the quotient and remainder. If any dividend is divided by a divisor gives the quotient q and the remainder r, then we know very well dividend is equal to divisor multiply by quotient plus remainder. By this you will get, if the remainder will be 0, if the remainder will be 0, then the last divisor will be the HCF of dividend and divisor. HCF means highest common factor. Highest common factor you will get by dividing it. So now you will see, if two numbers a and b are given, two positive integers a and b, where a is greater than b, q and r are the unique integers. Q and r are unique integers. Then by Euclid's a will be equal to bq plus r. A is equal to bq plus r always. It is a proved statement by Euclid, which is called the Euclid's division lemma. Always it is true for any two positive integer. Any two positive integer you will take. So you will get a is equal to bq plus r, but a will be greater than b, then only this is possible. Where r is remainder, and this will be always greater than r equal to 0, less than b. Greater than or equal to 0, less than b. You will get it is always greater than or equal to 0 and less than b. This is called Euclid's division lemma. And r is remainder. What is called? R is what? Remainder. If it is remainder, then in the lemma range of r is greater or equal to 0, less than b. If your question is range of r, So r will be always equal to 0, or it will be greater than 0 but never greater than b. b is the divisor. So by example you can see here, by example you can see, if any example is given 8 and 27, 8 and 27, two numbers. Suppose it is a and it is b. A is greater than b or not? A is greater than b. When 27 is divided by 8, 27 is divided by 8, you will get 8 3s are 24. What is the remainder? 3. 8 3s are 24, remainder is 3. Now 3 is remainder, 8 is the divisor, 27 is dividend, and 3 is the quotient. In this case, by Euclid's, you can write 27 is equal to 8 multiplied by 3 plus 3. 27 is equal to 8 multiplied by 3 plus 3, which is called Euclid's division lemma. Stepwise, there is a Euclid's division algorithm. One thing is given, Euclid's division algorithm. Euclid's division algorithm and division algorithm and the lemma, there is a two things you are getting. One is algorithm and one is lemma. So algorithm means step by step calculation. Step by step calculation using the lemma. Using the formula you are step by step calculate and find the HCF is called the algorithm. Algorithm and lemma has the difference. Lemma is a proved statement. Lemma is proved statement using the calculation of any other things. Lemma is what? It is proved statement. Proved statement. Lemma is a proved statement where the algorithm is the step by step calculation method using lemma, or any is proven statement. So proven statement is called lemma. Algorithm is using that lemma your calculation till the remainder will be 0. The same question 8 and 27. Find HCF of 8 and 27 by Euclid's 8 and 27 by Euclid's lemma or Euclid's algorithm. Sometimes you will get the question using algorithm for calculation. So Euclid's lemma by Euclid's, using Euclid's lemma or by Euclid's algorithm. Algorithm means you are saying now you will start for the same thing by the method 27. You will write, what is the formula you will write here? A is equal to BQ plus R, where R is greater and equal to 0, less than B. Always you write the formula. Here you are starting A is equal to 27 and B is equal to 8. A is greater than B. Now you will start to prove. How will you calculate it? 8 3 the 24. Earlier here you have done 8 3 the 24. 3. So again this 3 will be the, by the Euclid's, it is a one step is over, but your remainder is not 0. Remainder is not 0. In this case 3 4 2 ja 6. Again 2 is coming. Remainder is not 0. Then this divisor will be the dividend and the remainder will be the divisor. Again you will, this divisor will become a dividend and 2 1 ja 2. 1 is remainder. Again you are not getting 0. One more step. 1 2s are 2 and your remainder is 0. Till the calculation you are getting not 0, you do it. And after doing it, you are seeing steps 1, 2, here one step, second step, third step and the fourth step you are getting the 0. There is a 4 step. In 4 steps, how will you write in the form of Euclid's division lemma? Algorithm you are applying. Algorithm means step by step calculation using the lemma. Here A is 27 in the first case, 8 into 3 plus 3. Now here second step, 8 becomes a dividend, divisor is the, remainder is the divisor, 3 2 ja 6 and what is the left? 2. Now this 3 will be the, in this third case 3 is the divisor or dividend, 2 is the divisor, 2 1 ja 2. What is the remainder? Again 1. Again you are not getting 0, so 2 will be here and your 1 2 ja 2 and remainder is 0. Now you are getting remainder 0 because remainder is equal to 0. Therefore highest common factor of means bracket 8 comma 27 equal, words how are you reading? Highest common factor of 8 and 27 is last divisor. What is the last divisor? This is the last divisor and you will write 1. HCF of 8 and 27 is 1. You are getting, what is the last divisor? It will be your HCF. Clear? It is a very common. Euclid's division lemma tells you when two positive integers a and b, where a is greater than b and there is a two unique integer q and r, then a is always equal to bq plus r. Then a is always equal to bq plus r. It is your Euclid's division lemma where, very important things, where, full statement. In examinations you will get a question based on the lemma statement. Write the Euclid's division lemma. Then you don't write like this, a27 is equal to 8 into 3 plus 3. You will write a full statement. There is a, if two positive integers a and b in which a is greater than b and two unique integers q and r, then a is equal to bq plus r, where r is greater and equal to 0 less than b. Now your answer is over for the Euclid's division lemma. But in the case of Euclid's division algorithm, you will write Euclid's division algorithm is a step-by-step calculation using to calculate the HCF of any two number in which we use the Euclid's lemma till the remainder is not 0. Then you can write a is equal to bq plus r. R is not 0, then another integer you can take and you will show the, let the remainder is r is equal to pq plus r, any other name you can write, and then you can write the statements for this. If it is a divisor you can write the another name. So last divisor will be always the, so algorithm and lemma is the same thing. difference is there. Algorithm is the 2, 3 steps, 4 steps. It may be sometimes it gets only 1 step, sometimes it may be 2 step, 3 step. Here you are getting how many steps? 1, 2, 3, 4th step you are getting the result. So you will use this statement, solve some more examples based on it, some theoretical questions also. Thank you, and we will meet in the next video.